In this video, I'll show you how to fix no sound issues on your Acer laptop. If you can't hear audio from your speakers while playing music, videos, or other media, follow these steps. First, go to the bottom right corner of the taskbar and right-click the volume icon. Select Open Volume Mixer. Make sure the main volume slider is turned up and that the sound is not muted. Next, click the drop-down arrow next to Output Device. Select your laptop speakers or the audio device you want to use. If you're using headphones, make sure they are selected as the output device. Now, scroll down and check the volume levels for individual apps. Make sure the app you're using, such as Chrome, YouTube, or a media player, is not muted and the volume is turned up. If the issue continues, right-click the volume icon again and select Sound Settings. Scroll down and click More Sound Settings. In the new window, open the Playback tab. Make sure your speakers are enabled and set as the default device. Next, right-click your speakers and select Properties. Open the Levels tab and make sure the volume is set to a high level. Then, go to the Advanced tab. Select the highest available sample rate from the drop-down Format drop-down menu. Click Apply, then click OK to save the changes. After completing these steps, test your audio again to see if the sound is working properly. That's it. These are some of the most effective ways to fix no sound issues on an Acer laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.